So, hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a journal mid monthly energy check-in for all the Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the end of July 2026. Keep in mind this is general. This might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Mhm. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your overall energy, the overall energy for Sagittarius people for the rest of the month of July 2026. Let's see what we have. We have the Queen of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, the Six of Swords. You guys are manifesting this energy of slowly but surely moving towards calmer water, peaceful energies in your life, no drama, no stress, no this, no that. Okay. And you are trying your best to let go of the past baggages out of your system slowly but surely. But no matter how many obstacles or challenges you guys are facing in your life, you guys are making sure that you are not going to stop for anything or anyone. You are going to get what you are manifesting in your life, no matter how difficult it is going to be, no matter how many problems you guys are going to face. You have your eyes on the goal, on the prize here, and you guys are just waiting for the wheel to turn in your favor so that you will be able to achieve that thing in your life in the 3D world also. Meanwhile, slowly but surely letting go of the past, like baggages out of your system, slowly but surely. Awesome. That's what your current energies are regarding this month. Super focused on creating peaceful environment, peaceful energies, and letting go of the past baggage. Let's see what was happening in the recent past. We have the Nine of Wands. You guys were hurt, and but you were not giving up. Even if you were hurt, your guards were up. You were not giving up on something or someone. You were continuously fighting. You were like, okay, I'm not going to give up until I'm going to get what I want. Let's see in the current energies what we have. The Chariot. Right now you are in a strong determination kind of energy, like, okay, no matter what and how, you are going to get the kind of success that you want. You are not going to stop. That's a really cool energy. By the end of this month, let's see what we have. We have the Eight of Swords. You guys are going to be uh, in some kind of mental trap, mental jail kind of a situation where you will be continuously overthinking about a situation. It's just your mind playing tricks on you. Okay, let me clarify these cards in order to get the clear picture. It's confusing the hell out of me also. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands in the recent past. Yes. Let's see, Sagis. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands in the recent past for you guys. We have the Knight of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, the Four of Swords. You started a partnership, a collaboration. For most of it was a business or job or career thing. You started something with a lot of passion, with a lot of fire, with a lot of let's do this because I really want to do it. This is making me feel like I'm on the right track. There was a lot of energy. There was a lot of action oriented kind of things going on in your life regarding a particular collaboration partnership. And then there was a stop. There was a sudden stop. Like, let's say for example, I started a new business. I was all over the place. I was so happy. I was on cloud nine, and I did that thing for, you can say, 3 days and 4 days and 5 days maximum, a week or so, and then poof, nothing. Either I lost the interest, or something happened and I had to shut down. And even if you had to shut down that particular thing in your life, it can be anything, take it how it resonates with you. You were not fully giving up. You were like, okay, I'm going to fight for it, I'm going to make this happen. Maybe not right now, but eventually. Currently we have the Chariot. Let's clarify this Chariot in the current energies for you guys. There's a strong determination here for you guys to achieve something, to make something happen. Let's see. We have the Two of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles and the Seven of Cups. Yes, with the help of a person, with the help of another energy by your side, You guys are slowly, very, very slowly, step by step, you are entering into this energy of let's start doing something about a goal that you really, really want to achieve in your life. Right now things are all over the place, things are like you are full of confusion, there are lots of things that you have to do in order to achieve this goal of yours, and or you are doing one thing in multiple ways and it's confusing the hell out of you. But there's a very loving and nurturing kind of energy just by your side that is keeping you going, that is keeping you continuously in this energy of keep moving forward, don't give up, keep moving forward, you are on the right track. That kind of energy I'm picking for you guys, that right now even if your emotions and energies are all over the place regarding a particular goal, you guys are taking baby steps towards it, and there's a helping energy around you. Very loving and nurturing, caring kind of energy around you, like a motherly or fatherly kind of energy that's very close to your heart and soul, and that's giving you the boost of energy from time to time, the motivation to keep going. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords in the coming future as a potential outcome for you guys. Let's see. We have the Page of Wands, the Hermit, and the Judgment. Yes, it's like although your mind is going to give you thousand reasons to keep you trapped and not to move forward, you are going to break the barrier. You are going to start taking baby steps towards some kind of goal of yours that you are still very much attracted to, still very much passionate about. This time, by the end of this month, you're going to make sure that you're not going to operate from impulses only. You are not going to do things just for the sake of passionate energies only. You are going to have a proper plan, proper strategy. You are going to take your time, and you are going to you are going to release all the negativity, all the overthinking, all the people, situations, or things that are keeping you trapped in a certain kind of energy and not allowing you to move forward. So this is going to be one of those energy, Sagittarius, where you are going to be continuously pushing yourself and continuously telling yourself keep going, do not stop, because you will get it. Eventually you will get it. Your mind is going to continuously create fear, create obstacles and challenges, and you are not going to stop for anything or anyone. You are going to be like, okay, I did the same mistake in the past also, but now this time I am going to learn from my mistakes. I'm not going to do the same kind of shitty things that I did in the past. And you are going to be releasing this, breaking this mental jail. You are going to be, this is perfect, you are going to be breaking this mental jail of yours, and you will be starting something from the start, fresh energies, but this time with a lot of wisdom and knowledge and experience. It's going to be with experience this time. This is not going to be like, okay, I'm just passionate about something, I'm going to do something about it. No. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, honey, for this month, Sagittarius. We have the Two of Pentacles and the Five of Cups and the Five of Wands. Yes, your energies are not stable right now. One day you are feeling very okay, very happy. One day you are feeling the lowest in your life. Then there is certain kind of guilt and or regrets that you guys are still having in your heart, that you guys still have to release from your system. And then there is a lot of conflict and chaos. Maybe other people are also involved in your goal, or because of other family members or other people around you, the environment around you might not be that much positive or that much good to grow and good to go ahead with. That's why things are right now unstable. That's why things are right now not going well the way they should, despite of whatever is happening. Okay, Sagittarius, if you are not going to give up, if you are going to make sure that you are going to keep moving forward, you are going to achieve the kind of results and happiness that you're looking forward to have. But make sure your emotional energy and your mental energies are stable, meaning you are not too overly emotional or you are not too overly practical. You are finding a middle ground where your emotional and your practical energies are in the middle, are sorted, and then you are making the right choices and the right decision with a peaceful mindset, with a peaceful energy. You are not making any kind of choices or decision in any kind of conflicting, chaotic, or unstable kind of energies. Otherwise it might backfire and you might not like it, you might not feel good about it. Hmm? That's the guidance for you. Let me see the final message as the guidance for you guys, Sagittarius. Yes, we have, you can manifest the life you want. What you need will magically appear. Successful beginnings. Yes, as long as you are going to not to get trapped in your mental jail, and you are going to keep moving forward with experience, with wisdom, with knowledge, you are going to manifest the life you want. You have the capacity, you have the willpower, you have the energy. So go for it. Okay, don't mess this up. That's what I'm getting here for you guys, Sagittarius. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.